What is up, y'all?
How you doing?
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit back with another video. Listen, it's 70 degrees outside in St. Louis. So you know we had to hop on a bike and we're just gonna take a ride and enjoy the weather today. I don't know where we're going, we're just gonna go with the flow. I got the QueenSit shirt on. Shout out to everybody who owned one of these. These were exclusives. You cannot get these anymore, but I might bring them out again. Anyway, we got Abby on the back today. Let's get some gas. All right, my light on. I keep a light on, I ain't gonna lie to you. For some reason, I do not keep gas in here unless I'm on a road trip. And with the Apple Tab, ooh, premium, $18. Oh Lord. Hold on, gas the window. How are you? You getting some good riding in today?
I don't know, I just started.
Me too. I don't even know where to go.
Well, you always got the river road.
Yeah.
I think I put my money on the wrong pump.
Oh, dang, okay.
No, yep, I did.
For Great River Road.
I put it on 2 instead of 1.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I'm headed out to O'Fallon.
O'Fallon.
Meeting up with a friend of mine out there and stuff.
Okay.
You know, so I mean, I even go out to Creek 4 to go down that way.
Oh, yeah. I think that's what I do. Thank you.
I mean, it's always a nice
I love
nice
Creek
ride.
4. Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
We're all safe.
Drive safe.
You too. You good? I'm good. Okay. You got glasses on?
Yeah, my glasses, yeah.
Okay. Woo! What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit. I already said that. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying that in the video. But listen, we are at this park in St. Louis and we're gonna go down to the beach. Let's go. I just wanna, woo. We added the new rims a couple months ago. Got the blacked out rims. I got the smoke headlights now. I just put on 2 days ago. We got the new heated hand grips, blacked out mirrors. We got the black primer. Also, my battery tender was getting burnt. Okay, it was landing on my pipe. So at the dealership, they zip tied it, got the black cover. And if you had questions about my cup holder, make sure you check out my YouTube shorts. And I explained that whole process of where I got that from. So basically, you can go in the dealership and go get one. So right now, we're gonna walk to the beach. In my mind, I'm in LA. Or who else got a beach? Florida? Myrtle Beach? Okay, we gotta look both ways. We gotta look both ways for the crossing. Oh, thank you. Yay. Okay, look at the beach. I've never been here before. Would you touch the water?
Oh no.
Okay, in the comments, y'all, I need to know this. When we traveling and doing van life and going to different places, how do you know when water is safe to swim in? I know we got motorcycle riders out there, we got truck drivers out there. Shout out to y'all for watching my videos. I know it's a lot of y'all. I love y'all. So I know y'all pull up at different bodies of water. How do you know when the water is good to swim in? That's all I want to know.
We got the Doc Martens on the beach. That's how it be.
Hey, would you swim in this? No? Okay, so we explored, we went to the beach, great times. How is that new helmet treating you?
It's fine.
So y'all, we have a different helmet. She has a helmet that she uses.
I ain't feel like going to get the other one.
Oh, I thought you just love it that much.
No.
Do you like it?
I mean, I like how lightweight it is. I will say that, like, my neck doesn't hurt as bad from the pressure of the wind.
Yeah.
Dora, Dora, Dora.
Bye.
Dora.
Where are we going? You look key like this, you put it in there and turn it, and then ready to go. This park is really cool. People come here to fish, chill. It's a really cool place. It's called Creve Coeur Park. People do cycling, we got rollerblades, stuff like that. Super dope. ended up at my auntie house. Auntie Kim in the building?
You said somehow.
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 What you cooking?
I'm gonna make some salmon.
Ooh.
Some salmon.
If you're new to the channel, this is my auntie. If you've been here, then you already know who this is. This is where we have all the parties. This is where I come and get all the food. Can I get a water? Thank you. You want a water?
Yes, please.
Can we get 2 of your waters?
Thank you.
Thank you, Kylie.
Yeah, sure can.
Get all my
I go
stuff.
see 3 yet.
No, is it good?
They say it's
Heavy.
so good. Oh, don't play with me like that. Yeah.
Ooh.
I just came off on the right.
Slide in the Lambo or slide in the Porsche. Check my garage, I got too many choices. Oh, let do it. Oh, let do it. Oh, let do it.
This park is pretty cool. We got another trucker, RVer slash van lifer back there. It's like a truck with a house on the back. I don't know. What is up, y'all? Listen, I got so much to share with y'all. First and foremost, let me explain where I've been for 4 months. Basically, I have been on YouTube for 6 years, and I really wanted to just stop and experience life without creating for a while, and I just wanted to stop and smell the flowers. That's really all that happened. I've still been riding motorcycles. I've still been traveling. So, listen, van life's been crazy. I gotta share with y'all what's been going on. I work with a company called Harvest Host, so that's the other reason I've been MIA. I've been recording videos with this amazing company. It's like Airbnb for van life. They hit me up, they sponsor me, and I travel and I create these amazing videos with them. In the link below, I'm gonna link it. It's called the Harvest Host Adventure Series, and that's where me and other van lifers and RVers travel all across the US, and we share our stories with y'all, our experiences. And that is where I've been too. Like, I've been making content with them, and I've been loving it, y'all. Listen, I knew I dropped some videos, a few van life videos in the past. I had a few people, a few people who don't like change, saying they only want motorcycle videos. They don't want van life videos. Listen, on my break, I realized I want to share my entire life with you all. There were times where I had videos and vlogs I wanted to drop, and then it was like, well, my motorcycle's not in it, so no one's gonna want to watch it. I had to reprogram that thinking, y'all. I want to drop videos every day about my life and share that with you, no matter what I'm doing, whether I'm on a Razor scooter, a skateboard, a BMX bike, a motorcycle, or a van. It shouldn't matter, and it's not going to matter. I'm going to give you QueenSit as I am every day, okay? So I hope you can appreciate that. I'm just going to give you a different side of me. I want you to see who QueenSit really is, because motorcycles is not only that. I'm so much more than motorcycles. I love motorcycles, and I'm going to ride motorcycles. I just rode my motorcycle the other day. So I'm going to give you videos, but I'm so much more than that. I've been a teacher for 10 years, and this is the first year I quit teaching and I went full-time on the road. So y'all, this time I've been off for 4 months has just been loving life, taking a break. Right out of high school, I jumped into teaching, and I never stopped working, like, and I love it. But right now it was like, whoo, let's just take a mental reset. Let's just enjoy everything. Let's just ride the 2 trips and things like that and not have to go back to work. So it's been crazy, y'all. So stay here. If you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe, because I'm gonna take y'all on a ride. It's hot out here, so I'm gonna wrap this up. But thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me, and be prepared for me to share my whole life with y'all. And last thing, in the comments right now, drop what's been going on with you for the last 4 months. I want to know, what have you been doing? I missed out on so much. I feel like did you have a new kid? Did you get a new bike? Did you start a new business? Did you quit a business? Let me know what's been going on in your life. I'm going to write back to you in the comments below. Let me know what I've been missing, because I'm going to share with you everything you've missed. Let me know what you've been missing. So in the comments, go ahead and drop that. And we back, baby. It's QueenSit. Let's go. Drop that. What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit. I'm back with another video. Let's go. What's up, y'all? Right now, we are headed to downtown St. Louis to this place called Live by Lowe's, and we are going to a rooftop movie night. So we're gonna be on a rooftop downtown, and there's gonna be snacks, drinks, and some type of movie. I don't know what movie we're watching, but we're gonna have a good time. And it's gonna be a good night tonight. And we got Abby in the building. And we in the van. Let's go. Snacks up here. We got candy. Concessions.
Yeah, welcome to the movie. Welcome to the movie night.
Right.
Snacks and this popcorn.
That's mac and cheese bites. Mac and cheese bites. Ooh. Ooh. Got some meat.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nachos. Woo, and look what we got.
I be feeling famous when you put me on your thing.
We got Morgan in the building, just got back from out of town.
Literally this morning.
Yeah.
Lala was crazy. Did you see Chris Rock?
Yes, girl. I'm sitting here at the reserve VIP side. It's all up there. That's the movie theater. Alright, we got nachos. Fire. Look at this, y'all. Oh my god. We got a little something and some popcorn. And we finna wait for the movie to start. How you doing?
No, it's your turn. Oh my god. Oh wow! I'm gonna be.
It's a nice day out. Feels great. Pretty quiet night on a Monday.